Hey, what's up YouTube? TMZ1313 here. Today I just got a new charge controller. Before I show you that new charge controller, I want to talk about why I got it. First of all, I got it because I'm upgrading my system. This would be able to handle, for the most part, what I'm about to upgrade it to. But there's just one small thing that I didn't think was a big problem at the time, but has turned into a very big problem. Um, with all you guys, or most of you guys know that most of the things, especially in the U.S., are a common ground. If you don't know what that means that all the negatives are connected to each other. Right? Now, unfortunately, this wonderful charge controller, which has treated me well, has done its job. Um, it was cheaper than most of them, but there was a reason why it's cheaper than most of them. It's because this one has a common positive. Now, what that means is that all the positives are hooked up together. So, what's the big deal with that? Well, first of all, you'll never be able to hook this up in your car because your car is a common negative. Um, Another reason is that um, many good inverters clearly state on them that they need to be a negative ground inverter, or it is a negative ground, and if you use a common positive, it will destroy the inverter. Now, I wasn't able to find any common positive inverters. Um, I was able to run an inverter off of this, but it was a cheap modified sine wave, and surprisingly, there was no faults in it. But if something did go wrong, it would basically destroy my whole system. So I'm glad it didn't. Anyways, so as you can tell right here, um, all the positives are hooked up together as a common positive. Um, Now, if you do have this charge controller or you're thinking about getting it, um, well, if you already have it, that sucks for you. But if you do think about getting it, they do now make it a common negative. So just make sure that you get the one with the common negative and not the common positive. Otherwise, um, it's going to be a problem later down in the road. So, with that being said, here is my new baby. It's Outback Power FlexMax 60. I'm sure you guys all know what this is. I'm not going to talk much about it other than this is my new charge controller. Um, I will be doing a 24 volt system now. So all my guys that kept on telling me to do 24 volts, well, here you go. It's coming, slowly but surely. I don't even have my solar panels even hooked up anymore. I'm waiting on this house. Bad news about the house that I was trying to get. I might not even get anymore. Long story, but I might tell you guys later on in a different video. But yeah, this is my new charge controller. I will be making massive upgrades to my solar panel system. My solar panel system will be inside my house. So get ready for a whole bunch of videos on me installing it and talking about it and showing you all my new stuff that I will be getting within the next month or so. I do have other things already, but I'm not going to show you that. But I would like to give you a little taste of what I'm doing here. So yeah, so I'm pretty excited. I hope you guys are too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and watch me as my new journey of my new system goes on. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys there.